Hello everyone, this is Sunita. Welcome to Ooty. Ooty in Tamil Nadu, Queen of Hill Station, one of the most visited hill station in India. Cool climate throughout the year attracts many tourists every year. Today we are in Mango Hill Resort in Ooty, approximately 3 kilometers away from Ooty Center, 1.5 kilometers from Ooty Lake. This video gives you overview of this resort. After visiting two tourist places in Ooty, we decided to check into our resort. And from Ooty Center, this resort is hardly 3 kilometers away, and road is good. And I could see many resort nearby this same route. We can see many resorts are there, and wow, look at this. From here, road is quite narrow. I think it's 200 to 50 meter patch is there. Little bit narrow road, and voila, we reach our resort. We really amazed with beautiful location of this resort, surrounded by greenery and mountain view. Going towards to reception area, look at this. This is reception area and hall, quite big, and we can have a look here. Check-in was hassle-free, and this resort located on Fern Hill near Tea Estate. This beautiful canopy of tree. And currently this resort offers 4 types of rooms: junior suite, duplex villa, deluxe room. And junior suite is suitable for family of 4. Currently we got this duplex villa. Duplex villa is ideal for big family. Let me show you our duplex villa. This property is newly renovated. Our renovation is still in progress. So let's check out. As it's duplex villa, down area having living room followed by dining area, a beautiful sit out here living room, and a view from here also beautiful. You can see all around greenery here. Now next is this dining area having beautiful dining place. And look at this glass bottles. In Ooty, plastic bottles not allowed, like 1 liter and 500 ml bottles, water bottles are not allowed in Ooty. Look at this beautiful painting over here. Everything is fresh, neatly clean, well maintained. Here is one bathroom I can see, and one bathroom, neat, clean bathroom with all toiletries, must say. Come on, let's check out upstairs. What is there? You can see one side of me, one bedroom, another side is another bedroom. Let's check out the first bedroom. And wow, look at this room. Beautiful. Bedroom have big mirror, one closet, and I think this mattresses looks very cozy and soft one. Kids gonna enjoy this. This closet looks smaller, but I think sufficient for us, for 2 people. And look at this, it having locker also. Okay, let's come on, look here. Small balcony with sitting area for 2 people gives you overview of mountains and surrounding greenery of tea estates. Wow. I must say this is a master bedroom, and look at this one more bathroom here with everything neat and very well maintained and clean one. Now let's check out another room, and this room having two single beds with again cozy beds looks like. One side one window is there, one closet is there with attached bathroom. Bathroom of this room is a bit smaller compared to other two. Total three bathrooms, really good for big family having more family members. We just freshen up and now going to have cup of tea. Before that, I'll look at this weather. It's awesome chilly here, and really we want a cup of tea. Now it's little bit tiring for us, so we plan to spend rest of the evening to roam around this resort. Here is small Ganesha Temple also. We are going there. Kids play area, attraction for kids, and relax time for us. As you walk for the canopy of plants, everywhere you can see welcome. The canopy of plants welcomes you. Today it's chilly evening, got small campfire near this gate. Let me show you restaurant area. Restaurant is exactly top of this reception area, first floor, and restaurant gives you beautiful overview of tea plantation, which is same we can get it from our rooms also. Restaurant is easily accessible from every room of this resort. Everything we had here was tasty and with non-veg options. Food was really good and prepared as per our instruction. As we have kids with us, we want less spicy. Even though we asked them to do not add red chili spice also, and they made it as per our instruction. Really good food we had here, less oily. As Ooty is full of crowd now, all restaurants are full. We had our dinner. Most of the 3 days we had our dinner in our resort only. After our food, we headed to campfire area. Little drizzling can't stop us to enjoy this campfire. Really amazing. This grass over here near this campfire really adding beauty to this campfire. We enjoyed. Kids also enjoy a lot this campfire. In our 3 day stays, we hardly spend morning here. Usually we left the resort before 8 a.m. and look at this beautiful sunrise. We usually left resort after having tea to avoid traffic in all spots. Best part of this resort, few famous spots like Paikara Lake, Paikara Waterfall, Shooting Point, Pine Forest. There is a separate route from our resort which not get into the Ooty traffic. That is the really good part. We easily went to our these points and we came without having this Ooty traffic. Back to the breakfast. In our total 3 night stay, today we are having breakfast here, and it's really delicious having South Indian style breakfast with many options available here, and it's tasty too. Now, talking about our personal experience with this resort was really amazing. Amazing location and hospitality they offered here was really good. This had very nice, pleasant, and happening stay over here. All staff from main gate to till reception restaurant was really humble, very cooperative. And talking about room service was not that great, it was good. I highly recommend this resort, location wise and budget wise, really good resort, and definitely we want to come here again. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you like today's video, give thumbs up to this video, like, share, subscribe my channel and spread love. थैंक यू, बाय बाय। मिलते हैं ऐसे ही किसी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। टिल देन बाय बाय, थैंक यू, टेक केयर।